how to enable or disable show apps on wrist down on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's go back to the clock face by pressing on the crown button. Then press on the crown button again to go into the home screen or the app screen. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now scroll down and tap on always on. Then tap on always on to switch it on. Then we scroll down. So go to the wrist down section and tap on show apps. And then tap on show apps. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. After that, you can scroll down and select which apps you want to show when your wrist is down. And that's it. After that, just press on the crown button to return back to the clock face. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.